In Korea, the Kia Picanto hatchback has been updated. The Korean company Kia has introduced an updated Picanto hatchback. This was reported by the press service of the brand. The updated Kia Picanto received new headlights and lights, which are now combined into a single element using an LED strip. Also, modified bumpers and a radiator grille were installed on the car. Salon remained the same. Engine details are not yet available. It is known that the updated Kia Picanto will retain 1 and 1.2-liter gasoline engines. All detailed information about the car will be published closer to the start of sales. Earlier it was reported that the Chinese automaker BYD has released a new electric crossover Denza N7. The first commodity cars should go to dealers in China in mid-July.